Welcome to the top best. The best 8x8x4 box is probably one of the most versatile and essential packaging solutions available, offering a perfect balance of size and protection for a wide array of items, from delicate electronics to artisanal crafts. Its specific dimensions make it ideal for shipping smaller goods, ensuring they arrive safely without unnecessary bulk or wasted space, which can be a significant factor in both shipping costs and storage efficiency. This box is designed to meet the needs of e-commerce sellers, small businesses, and individuals alike, providing a reliable and cost-effective way to package and transport products. Number 5. MESHA 8x8x4 White Gift Boxes 50-pack. Introducing our eco-friendly gift boxes, perfect for showing you care for the planet. Wrap your gifts with love and sustainability in mind. These boxes are ideal for a variety of items like candles, jewelry, or mugs. They come with clear stickers to keep your precious content secure during transport. Crafted from high-quality recycled paperboard, these boxes are built to last. Their sturdy construction ensures your delicate items arrive safely. Feel good about your gifting choices with these recyclable favor boxes. You can gift sustainably while being kind to the environment. Need to wrap gifts in bulk or work on a DIY project? These boxes assemble in seconds and fold flat for convenient storage. Make every gift unique. Customize these boxes with ribbons, stickers, or drawings to add a personal touch for any occasion. From bridesmaid proposals to holiday gifts, these boxes are perfect for any event. Elevate your gift presentation for weddings, birthdays, and more. What we like. If you're looking for an eco-conscious option, this is the one. It's made from recyclable materials, making it a great choice for Earth Day or any occasion where sustainability is key. Its perfect size makes it ideal for a variety of gifts, from candles to jewelry. If you want to add a personal touch, it's also great for DIY projects and customization. What people say. The box is sturdy and holds its shape well, even when filled. Easy to assemble, took only a few minutes to put together. The dimensions are accurate, fitting my needs perfectly. Number 4. Hoikwo 8x8x4 Black Shipping Boxes, 25-pack. Engineered with strong corrugated cardboard, these boxes are structurally sound. They are perfect for transporting your small and lightweight merchandise safely. Each package contains 25 boxes, conveniently pre-flattened for easy storage. This design helps you save space and streamline your packaging process. These black cardboard boxes are optimized for diverse applications. Use them for your small business, retail packaging, secure storage, or efficient mailing. Designed for rapid construction, these boxes can be assembled in seconds. A simple folding action is all it takes to get them ready. Offering a blank canvas, these boxes can be customized to suit your needs. Personalize them for gifting or professional requirements. What we like. For small businesses needing a professional and sleek look, these black boxes are a fantastic choice. They are engineered with sturdy corrugated cardboard, ensuring your merchandise arrives safely. If you need an efficient packaging solution that's easy to store and assemble, these are perfect for mailing and retail. What people say. The box is sturdy and holds its shape well, even when filled. Easy to assemble and the lid fits snugly, keeping content secure. Perfect size for organizing small items, fits neatly on shelves. Number 3. Box USA 8LX4WX4H Shipping Boxes, 25-pack. Moving soon. We've got you covered with these sturdy corrugated boxes. They are perfect for packing all your belongings, big or small. Whether it's for your apartment, office, or classroom, these boxes are ideal. Pack anything from books and kitchenware to linens and office supplies with ease. Trust in their professional-grade quality, built to hold up to 65 pounds. They are certified to meet all your storage, mailing, and freight requirements. Need a specific size? We offer over 1,500 different box dimensions to perfectly fit all your packing and shipping needs. These boxes arrive flat-packed for convenient storage and shipping. They assemble in a snap, saving you time when you're ready to pack. Made from 100% recyclable craft cardboard, they offer reliable protection while being kind to the environment. Plus, they're proudly constructed in the USA. What we like. If you need reliable and durable boxes made in the USA, look no further. These are certified and tested to meet stringent requirements, holding up to 65 pounds. They are ideal for moving, shipping, or storage of a wide range of household items. If you prioritize quality and domestic production, this is the box for you. What people say. The box is sturdy and holds its shape well, even when filled. Easy to assemble and the lid fits snugly, keeping contents secure. Number 2. Wowxyz 8x8x4 White Shipping Boxes 25 Pack. Introducing our 8x8x4-inch white shipping boxes, perfect for your small business needs. Made from durable, recycled cardboard, they ensure your items arrive safely. These boxes feature a robust 3-layer corrugated cardboard construction. This makes them lightweight yet incredibly sturdy, ideal for shipping with carriers like UPS, USPS, and FedEx. Beyond shipping, these versatile boxes are perfect for packaging a variety of items. Use them for picture frames, books, clothing, gifts, crafts, DVDs, and more. They arrive flat for convenient storage and assemble quickly without any tools. The secure tab locking mechanism ensures your contents are protected during transit. The smooth white exterior provides a clean look and is perfect for customization. Decorate them to create unique gift boxes or branded packaging for your business. Whether you're shipping, packing, mailing, or storing, these boxes are an excellent choice. They are ideal for small businesses looking for reliable and attractive packaging solutions. What we like. For a clean, professional presentation that's also secure, consider these white shipping boxes. Their 3-layer heavy-duty construction ensures your items arrive safely, whether for shipping or as gifts. If you like to decorate your packaging or need a reliable tab locking mechanism for added security, these are a great option for small businesses and gift giving. What people say. The box is sturdy and holds its shape well, even when filled. Easy to assemble, took less than a minute to put together. The dimensions are accurate, perfect for storing small items. Number 1. Fit Meal Prep 25-Pack Cake Boxes. Introducing our versatile pack of 25 cake boxes, designed to hold all your delicious baked goods. They are the perfect size for small pies, candies, pastries, and more. These boxes feature a convenient tuck-top lid for quick assembly and easy access. When not in use, they fold flat, saving you valuable storage space. These decorative boxes are ideal for any event, from birthdays to holidays. Personalize them to match your theme and make your gifts extra special. Crafted from sturdy, 100% recycled paperboard, these boxes are built to last. They are perfect for carrying not just food, but also small crafts and gifts. We prioritize your safety. These boxes are made from food-grade materials, ensuring your delicious treats are packaged securely and safely. Measuring 8x8x4 inches, these boxes are perfectly sized for individual servings of cupcakes, cookies, or other small pastries. They ensure your creations arrive looking just as good as they taste. What we like. If you're packaging treats like desserts, cookies, or pastries, these bakery boxes are ideal. The built-in window allows customers to see the delicious contents, and they are made from food-safe materials. If you appreciate convenience, the auto pop-up design and tuck-top lid make assembly and service quick and efficient. What people say. The box is sturdy and holds its shape well, even when filled. The dimensions are accurate, fitting exactly where I needed them to. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.